Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of AI and 3D imaging. Ever wonder how a simple 3D image can magically transform into a stunning 3D model? Well, wonder no more because we are about to explore the wonders of AI powered 2D to 3D image generation. So if you have any photos or images that you want to make 3D images, so this video for you. The possibilities with the technology are endless and I can't wait to see how it continues to revolutionize the world of digital imaging. So let's dive into our main topic. So before jumping into video, so if you are new in this channel, I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos for you how you can make money online, how you can start your freelancing journey, how you can start your online business, and how you can make easy your life with AI tools. So don't forget to subscribe. Today's video gonna very special if you want to make someone happy and with a stunning 3D model images. So let's starting with styler.ai. This is the most controllable AI image and design tools here we can see, and you will see lots of features over there. AI photo filtering, combine image with AI. Also you can generative fill and modify your images, and you can remove object from your photo here you can see. And the most interesting thing is AI text effects and logo maker. Okay, but today I'm going to show you how you can upload your own images and you can style as a 3D. Okay, first of all you have to sign up, so click on start for free. So if you are new in this tools, so please sign up with your Gmail account, and also you can input your email address and password and click on continue. Obviously don't forget to click on I agree with the terms and service and policy. Okay, so I have already an account, so I'm just going to click on login and you will see the lots of style library. So first of all here you can see their Discord. You can join with their Discord account, and recent project that I already have done here you can see, and here you can see the style library. So there is all styles. Okay, so if you want to make it as a scene design, click on scene design, and here you can see the different kind of scenario. All right, also here you can see illustration design also. So if you want to make your image as a illustration, so you can do this with the help of this kind of images. Okay, here you can see different kind of illustration over there, and it's really amazing. All right, and let's check the logo design. Okay, so click on logo. It's a very simple thing. Here you can see the portrait photography. It's amazing, especially for girls. We have to select new project, so click on new project and set a project name, my channel name Raihan Rifat, and canvas dimensions, which is really important. Here you can see different types of aspect ratio which is required for different kind of social media platform. So 1:1 it's for maybe Facebook or Instagram. 3:4, 9:6 it's for Instagram Reels probably, and YouTube Shorts video, and also the TikTok. And here you can see 16:9 ratio, which is perfect for YouTube. So I'm going to select 1:1 ratio. All right, and click on apply, and here you can see click or drag here to upload images. Click on over there and select your image over there. Okay, so I have already an images. Here you can see this is a Hollywood film star. All right, okay, so this image is perfect sizes, and click on image to image, and the left hand sidebar you can see the import images. If you have multiple images you can do this, and here you can see text to image, image to image. So we are going to click on image to image, image to image, and here you can see the no style, and you will see some features over there like no style. So click on there and you will see the different kind of styles that we already showed first time. So just click on there. If you want to click on like a illustration design, so just click on illustration design and you will see some illustration design over there. On a scene design, so it's a scenario, also logo design, abstract art, and portrait photography. Here you can see. All right, so I'm going to click on dreamlike portraiture. Select dreamlike portraiture, and the most important thing is prompt. So if you want to add something into these images, you can write it here. Also you can generate auto prompt, so click on auto prompt and it will recognize your this image and it will come up with different kind of textures. Okay, here a young woman with long blonde hair and standing also. All right, here you can see the structure mesh, keep it as 0.8, and the result you can increase it as 0.6 or 0.7, and the face mesh, which is really important. All right, face mesh, so click on face mesh. All right, and click on stylizer. So here you can see stylizer is 31%, 41%. So let's see how it works and how it looks like. Okay, so let's compare. So this is our real image, and here you can see the first one is pretty cool. Here you can see the second one and third one and fourth one. I think the first one is really amazing. So if you want to like this to download, just click on there and place to canvas. All right, here you can see, and then you can download. So save as image, so it will automatically download into your device. So if you want to remodel this, so click on image and just change it, and here you can see you can select this one. All right, and also you can keep as it is. All right, and let's stylizer again. All right, here you can see our second portrait photography. I think these four are better. All right, so let's check the first one. Okay, the first one it's look like a horror, but we're not going to like this. And the second one it's pretty much okay, and this one okay, third one, and the finally fourth one is really amazing and stunning. I'm really surprised to see these results. Here you can see. So if you want to download, just click on download. All right, so this is how it's cool, and this is how it's easy. You can make it as a 3D, your different kind of portrait photography or different kind of style. So I think you would love it. So thanks for joining today. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and exploring the amazing world of AI. Take care, bye bye, tata.